Good morning everyone. I hope you are enjoying your study at your home. Welcome you all in English class. In previous video, we have studied the uses of full stop, comma and question mark. We use a full stop to end a sentence. We use question mark to end an interrogative sentence. We use comma to show the shortest pause. But you must remember that we never use a comma at the end of a sentence. Now, today we will learn about the other punctuation marks. First is exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used at the end of every exclamatory sentence. For example, what a lucky person you are! How handsome Jalalpur is! Exclamation mark is also used after words or sentences expressing emotion. कभी कभी exclamation mark का use हम exclamatory word के बाद और कभी sentence के end में करते हैं. Look at the examples once again. Hurrah! We have won the match. Nonsense! How can you talk such rubbish? What a terrible fire this is. After this, we know about quotation marks. We use quotation marks to point out the actual words of the speaker. For example, he said, Rahim is ill. I am hungry, said Avi. Mudit said, I want to purchase a pen. आपने देखा होगा कि जब कोई डायलॉग बोलता है तो उसकी पर्टिकुलर बातें कोटेशन मार्क्स में होती हैं. कोटेशन मार्क्स को हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास भी कहते हैं. After this, apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession. For example, Jaya's book is new. It is Beena's watch. Tanu's watch is expensive. जब कोई पर्टिकुलर थिंग किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से रिलेट या बिलोंग करती हो तो पोजेशन को शो करने के लिए एपोस्ट्रॉफी का यूज होता है. We use apostrophe to show time and distance. For example, 3 days time. They gave me 2 months leave. अपने सेंटेंस में टाइम और डिस्टेंस को शो करने के लिए एपोस्ट्रॉफी का यूज करते हैं. आई होप कि अब आप सेंटेंस में यूज होने वाले डिफरेंट पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स को समझ गए होंगे. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू सॉल्व सम एक्सरसाइज टू मेक योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेटर. यूज exclamation marks, inverted commas in the following sentences. What a lovely sunset! We have used an exclamation sign here. We are hungry, said the girls. In this sentence, we have used inverted commas, comma and full stop. Anish is tired, said his mother. In this sentence, we have used inverted commas, comma and full stop. Hurrah! We have won the race. We have used exclamation sign and full stop here in this sentence. Alas, she is ill today. We have used exclamation sign and full stop in this sentence. In this exercise, we have used exclamation and inverted commas. Now, let's move to use apostrophes and commas. Rewrite the following sentences using commas and possessive form of the nouns. Rest for 3 months. 3 months rest. Singing, painting, dancing, elocution are some of the activities we do at school. We used comma and full stop in this sentence. The dream Jean had. Jean's dream. We have used apostrophe and full stop. I like January, February, March and April but not May and June. We have used comma and full stop in this sentence. The house where Uncle Tom lives. Uncle Tom's house. We have used apostrophe s and full stop in this sentence. The friend of John and Jane. John and Jane's friend. We have used apostrophe s and full stop in this sentence. Hopefully, you understood the use of apostrophe and comma by solving this exercise. Now, move to practice time to make your doubts clear. Punctuate the following sentences by using capital letters, comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation mark and apostrophe s. इन sentences में आपको कैपिटल लेटर्स, कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, कोटेशन मार्क और apostrophe का यूज करना है. My dear students, hopefully you understood the uses of different punctuation marks. This is all for today. Again we will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.